The Morris Minor is back, and it looks absolutely insane. This is the 2026 Morris Minor 1000 Convertible, a car that blends pure vintage soul with futuristic luxury in a way we've honestly never seen before. And the crazy part? This might be one of the boldest retro comebacks of the decade. Alright, let's take a closer look. From the front, this thing instantly hits you with nostalgia. You've got those iconic round headlights, but now fully LED with a clean halo signature that feels almost Rolls-Royce level premium. The body is smooth, minimal, almost sculpted like a concept car. No aggressive lines, no unnecessary vents, just pure elegance. And that grille? Simple, horizontal, classic, but modernized just enough to feel 2026 ready. This isn't trying to be sporty. This is trying to be timeless. Now, move to the side, and this is where the magic really happens. The proportions are unmistakably classic Morris Minor. Short overhangs, soft curves, and that signature rounded body. But then, boom, massive modern wheels, ultra-clean surfacing, and a stance that feels planted and premium. And yes, this is a convertible. Top down, cruising by the lake, this thing doesn't just look good, it creates a vibe. This is not a car you rush in. This is a car you enjoy. Now the rear. And wow, they absolutely nailed this. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, giving it a futuristic identity. But then they added these circular, retro-inspired taillights on both sides, and that contrast? Perfect. Morris lettering illuminated across the trunk, subtle but super premium. Step inside, and this is where things go completely next level. This interior is insane. You've got a full-width digital display stretching across the dashboard, blending classic design with cutting-edge tech. The steering wheel keeps that vintage style, but integrates modern controls seamlessly. And look at the center console. Crystal-like gear selector, ambient lighting, ultra-minimal layout. This feels more Bentley than Morris. Soft, quilted leather seats, clean door panels, hidden tech. Everything here screams luxury. This is not just a reboot, this is a complete reimagination. Now, let's talk about what could be under the hood. Since this is still in the realm of rumors and concept interpretation, there are two strong possibilities. First, a fully electric version. We're talking around 200 to 250 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, smooth, silent cruising, perfect for this kind of luxury convertible. Second, a small turbocharged engine, maybe a 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter, producing around 180 to 220 horsepower. Not built for speed, but built for experience. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, probably around 7 to 8 seconds. But honestly, that's not the point of this car. Now here's where it gets interesting. If this actually makes production, the expected price could land somewhere between $35,000 to $50,000, which puts it right in a very unique space. Not cheap, but not ultra-luxury either. More like lifestyle luxury. And in terms of competitors, there's really nothing exactly like it. But if we had to compare, you're looking at cars like the Mini Convertible, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, maybe even entry-level premium convertibles. But none of those offer this level of retro-modern design and luxury fusion. This Morris is playing its own game. So the big question is, would you actually buy this? Because if Morris really brings this to life in 2026, this could easily become one of the most unique cars on the road. A perfect blend of past and future, classic but completely redefined. And honestly, I think people are going to love it.